Today you're going to learn how do you reinstall a new oil filter for a 2015 Kawasaki ZX10R SuperBike. So what you're going to need is a 17mm socket and a ratchet, using this towel just to protect your clothes on laying down on the workshop floor, roll derrick underneath the sump, and the sump bung is actually left hand side right there opposite the oil filter. Easy to get to and no need to remove the SuperBike panel to get to it. Same for the oil filter. Kawasaki SuperBike uses a K&N performance filter 303. So you get this like plastic. What is really nice about K&N is how they pre-oil the rubber seal, so you don't actually have to oil the gasket. You can just fit this. What you do is take some kitchen paper and you're just going to gently wipe down the surface where the new oil filter is going to go. Just wipe it down the best that you can. So the new filter, you start off with installing it hand tight. So what you got to do, just put it on my hand first and then torque down the oil filter. Take the torque ratchet. You need 17 Newton meters. You're going to need a long extension. Get it in there. Get it on the K&N air filter. Push down on the centre of your ratchet so you're getting the best grip on the nut, because it's a soft alloy. You don't want to round this nut. The torque ratchet makes that click. Stop, don't go any further. Tidy up your tools. And then add the engine. Then you're going to take brake cleaner, kitchen paper, and just wipe down your oil derrick. And then put it away. With the right tools, and if you have a K&N performance filter, really straightforward. Just be careful not to cross thread as you tighten up the oil filter by hand to start with. Thanks for watching.